Hello and welcome to Videojug. We're going to show you how to make sausage rolls. Step 1. You will need the following ingredients to make 10 sausage rolls. 375 grams of bought puff pastry, 500 grams of sausage meat, 1 egg, beaten, and some plain flour for dusting. Here is a handy list of the ingredients. You will also need the following utensils: a knife, a wire rack, a spoon, a baking tray, some parchment paper, and a pastry brush. Step 2. Preheat the oven. Set the oven to 200 degrees centigrade or gas mark 6. Step 3. Prepare the baking tray. Lay a square of parchment paper onto the baking tray. Step 4. Make the sausage rolls. Sprinkle some flour onto your working surface. Unroll the pre-rolled pastry and place it into the middle. Cut it into large rectangles, roughly 6 cm by 7 cm. Then spoon on a generous tablespoonful of sausage meat into the centre of one of the rectangles. Roll up the pastry, then brush the edge lightly with the egg to seal the pastry to the meat. Continue rolling upwards into a log-shaped roll and close it by lightly pushing the edges of the pastry down with your fingers, a technique known as crimping. Repeat with the remaining pastry to make roughly 10 sausage rolls. Step 5. Transfer to the baking tray. Place the sausage rolls onto the baking tray. Then, taking a large knife, make 2 diagonal incisions into the pastry. Finally, brush each of the rolls with a beaten egg. Step 6. Bake. Place the tray into the centre of the preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. When the sausage rolls turn golden brown, remove them from the oven. Step 7. Cool and serve. Transfer the rolls onto the wire rack and set aside to cool. They can be served warm or cold and are great for parties and buffets. And that's how to make sausage rolls the Videojug way. Enjoy!